Yeah. Pim, 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 pim. Pim, 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 pim. Pim, 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 pim. Yeah, so hello everyone. Let's quickly walk you through this system. So this is a traffic light system that we are recreating. So we are building a replica of what we have on our road. As I kept saying, along Awoshi to Ablekuma Street, right, there are lots of traffic lights installed that are not functioning. For whatever reason that they are not functioning, we don't know. I don't know why. But then what we are doing here is that we want to understand what it takes to build a system like that, and then also what it takes to maintain what such a system, right? So for so many years, as I said, those lights don't work, they are not functioning, and we don't know why. Okay, but then for us, we are digging deep into understanding why they are not working by building or recreating such a system, so that we'll be able to appreciate every in and out of what a traffic light system that we always use on our road, right? So here, as you can see, this particular one controls this lane. This one here also controls the other lane. So for people going this direction, this is what they use, and for the people going to the opposite direction, they also focus on this. Now it's a two-lane traffic light system, such that there is one lane here, another lane, and then also people can cross. So at a busy junction, this is basically at vantage points in town or busy locations that people cross almost every time, right? So here you'll be able to cross, and if you are crossing, this light here and here are controlling the pedestrian, people crossing, right? So if I'm here and then I'm crossing to this side, then I will use this particular one. When I'm here, my focus will be on this. If I can also focus on that, that is fine, but then my focus will be on this, and once I'm able to cross to this side, then I also focus on this to cross. The same way if you are moving from here to here, if I'm here, I can't cross right now because what, the red light is on, right? So I will wait. If the red light is on, it means that the green here is on for vehicles to move. So I'll wait, and then green light on, and then I will be able to cross to this side. Once it's still on, I can cross to what, the other side, right? So it's the same way that, the same implementation that we see on our road, right? So here we have the code uploaded on an Arduino board, and this entire thing here is serving as our control unit, where we are getting our power source from what, the PC, right? So we really want to understand what it takes to build a traffic light like this, the ones that we'll be using on our streets, and then also what it takes to maintain such a system, right? So this is basically done because you can see everything is working. This means vehicles can go, and this one means what, I can't cross as a person, right? So nobody should cross, because at this time vehicles are going, so vehicles are getting ready to stop, and once they stop, then the people can also what, cross, right? So there's that same traffic light, there's that same implementation that we see on our road, right? So where this is just the initial stages of understanding, this has really taught us a lot, and then when at the end we are glad we made it and everything is working. Now the next step that we are going to do is to make sure we power the other ones the same way we are having this, right? We are just going to extend and then wire everything up, and then we will give you updates on how everything worked all together. Now after we are done with that, we want to bring in what, we want to make the entire system a self powered or a standard system, right? So a standalone, it should be able to power itself, just like we see on our road. Most of the road, the traffic light that I'm talking about on our street, if you analyze them carefully, there is a solar panel, and then when you get closer, you also see like a section where the control unit is. So we will bring in a solar panel and then a battery system, or a powerhouse basically, to power the entire system, doing away with what, my PC, so that we will also understand what it takes to for this thing to work forever, or work for a certain time frame and then not work again, right? And if it's not working again, what could be the cause, or what will be the cause that they will not work. Okay, as I said, there are lots on our ways, our roads that don't work. It could be the solar panel or the power source that is spoiled or damaged. It could be the lights themselves that are damaged, or the control unit, there is something that is not functioning. A lot can cause these things not to work, and we are really digging deep into implementing this, understanding this, and also know exactly what it takes to maintain such a system. So follow us on this journey, and then a lot will be coming your way. The challenges, the struggles, we will bring all onto your way, right? So I'll see you in the next one as we go along this journey.